Hello, everyone. Here are the notes for the Adams notes that we were going to take today in class that we did not get to. So, atoms, the basic building blocks of ordinary matter. And they're the basic unit of a chemical element. So, fill in element right there. They consist of three basic parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are a positively charged particle. They're located inside the nucleus. They are included in the atom's mass. And they determine the element's identity. So the number of protons inside the nucleus will tell us what element that is. Neutrons have a neutral electrical charge. They're also located inside the nucleus. And they are also included in the atom's mass. Electrons are negatively charged. Subatomic particle. They are located outside the nucleus. And they do not contribute to the atom's mass. And finally, the periodic table. This table shows all the different elements there are on Earth. The formula for finding the atomic mass is protons plus neutrons equals the atomic mass. And we're going to talk more about atomic mass very shortly. And then atomic mass minus the number of protons will tell you the number of neutrons. So we're just turning that around like you do in math class. If you can put something on the other side, in this case, if protons plus neutrons equals atomic mass, if we know the atomic mass and we know the protons, then we can figure out how many neutrons we have. So that's our notes for today. Always wanted to try this whiteboard tool. Let's see what that does. And we'll get a nice blue pencil here. Oh, it's not blue, but... All right. So everybody have a good day, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow at Friday Fun. If not, see you next Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everyone.